Hey everybody, Josh here with another exciting episode of Artpocalypse, Mentor Public Library's weekly arts and crafts video series. Here to show you something cool. Let's get started. Okay, so for today's craft, I'm going to show you guys how to make something called a God's Eye. It has other names, but I can't remember them right now, but that's the most common name. You might have made these at summer camp. So all you'll need for this is 2 sticks and some yarn. And the sticks can be anything. You can use popsicle sticks, dowels. I have like meat skewers. You can find sticks out in the woods. Just a friendly reminder though, if you do go to the woods to find cool sticks, don't take anything from living trees or shrubbery or anything. Just find stuff that nature has left for you on the ground. And don't take more than you need, right? So we got to be good stewards to the environment. So I'm going to use my skewers. Take your yarn, take the loose end, and around the center of your 2 sticks, you're just going to want to wrap the yarn around. Do it 4 times. So you got 4 loops on there, right? We'll do an extra one just for fun. So let that hang, and then take your 2 sticks and turn it so they form a cross. And then see, because the loops that you just made are kind of holding the initial tension, but you see how it's still kind of wobbly. So we're going to take our yarn, if this loose end would work with me here. There we go. And then wrap it between the X a couple times, and then turn it to the other X, and then wrap your yarn around a couple more times here. So then you have decent tension. It's not going to move too much when you start working with it. Okay, so then to get started with this, your yarn is between these 2 points, right? So you're going to take it to the right and under this one, and then bring it over both of them, right? And then turn it, so then your yarn is now between these 2, and same thing, you're going to bring it under and over, bring it over 2, turn it, and just keep going around and around. I might want to slow down. I got, people watching and learning. Okay, so between the 2, under the right hand one, over 2, under that one, and then just keep turning it around and around. And then I'm just going to go nuts with this and hope that you guys can follow along, because all you're doing now is just bringing it over the 2, between the 1, over 2, under and over, again and again. And then we're just going to go crazy, right? So you can kind of see what's going on. It's just going to keep getting bigger, and it looks cool on both sides, right? So you have that one, and you can see why it's called a God's Eye better if you're using like a variegated yarn, because like from the center out, the colors shift really cool. And then on the reverse side, you can see, hopefully, there you go, how it's wrapping around the bars and stuff. This is a really good exercise for just kind of like meditative practice. It's something to do. It works up real quick. Kind of take your mind off things and just focus here. It's a really popular tradition among like Mesoamerican and Latinx cultures. Like I said, it's gotten popularized though at like summer camps and whatnot. It's a pretty cool idea. It's got religious overtones, obviously, with being a God's Eye, but it's something for you to enjoy and just relax doing. So hopefully you enjoy. Take care. Bye. Okay, so I said goodbye too soon. I realized that I forgot to show you how to finish it, which might be helpful, right? So let's say you're done. Cut your yarn, or be like me and ruin your fingers. Just pull it off. So then you have your loose end here, came around that last bar here, right? So you wrap it around. I usually do like a little bit extra, like 2. And then all you'll need to do, you can just take this loose end and find some space in here, and then just kind of weave it through, right? So you can pull that up, and then pull it back down, just so it's kind of nestled in here somewhere. And you can do it more smoothly than that, but I'm trying to be brief because I already said goodbye for this week. And then you can just cut off the ends on the back. And voila, your God's eye.